Okay, now we're having a look. Yes, the microphone's on, I just have to constantly double check now. Now we're having a look at question 10 or question 11 if you've got the advanced textbook. Hang on. So, question A is actually really simple. The amount of paint used to paint a building directly proportional to the area. I don't care that it's paint. I don't care that it's area. All I care about is those two things and the words directly proportional. As soon as I see that, I write down first one equals K times the second one. If you got them the wrong way around, it wouldn't even matter. Your K would just be the reciprocal of the other one. Okay, let's do question B. Now, it says 48 litres. Again, I don't care. Area of 576. So now I've just got to make sure I sub them into the right spots. So P was in litres, so I should have highlighted that. A was in square metres. So my litres value goes in for P, so 48 equals K times the area value, 576. Okay, how do we get K? We divide 576, 576. So K is going to be 48 over 576. Let me get my calculator. 48 divided by 576 gives me 0.0833. Now, the fact that this area, this K, has turned out to be such a small number leads me to think that I've done this the wrong way around. Maybe I should have done A equals K times P, which would then have given me 576 equals K times 48. So then I would have done divided by 48. 576 divided by 48 gives me 144. So K equals 144. I like this version of events better. Honestly, if it was me, I would still mark anyone correct, even if you persisted with the annoying decimal, which actually was a tiny fraction. I just don't have my actual calculator, so I couldn't figure out I could have figured it out, I just didn't. Okay. Question C. A larger building has an area of 668. So I'm actually going to do these for both versions of K now. So I've got P equals K, which is 0.0833 times 668, or I would have done 668 equals 144 times P. With this one, I've got to divide by 144. This one, I've just got to figure it out. So 668 divided by 144 gives me 4.64. And with the other one, 0.0833 times 668. Don't think I've done that correctly. $668 divided by 144. I'm not sure that's 144. 576, because I should get the same answer for both, so it's really killing me. Divided by 48, 12. Oh, it's not 144, it's 12. Hang on, I'm just going to double check. 576 divided by 48 equals 12. Okay, I don't know how I got 144. Maybe I accidentally squared it. 12 times P. So 668 divided by 12 gives me 55.67. On the other side, 0.00833333, which I think is a 12th, times 668. Again, 55.67 litres for both of them. So yeah, it honestly doesn't matter which way I did this question. I would have gotten the same answers for the rest, and both of the A and B would have been marked correct. Now let's do D. Paint supplier sells 40 litre buckets and 4 litre tins. Ooh. How many buckets and tins must be bought in order to paint a building completely? I'm assuming they're talking about the larger building. So I'm assuming we need 55.67 litres, and we've got 40 litre buckets, so 40B, and we've got 4 litre tins, so 4T. Which means, I mean, I could have had, well, I'm only going to have one bucket, because if I have 2 buckets, I'm automatically over. So 1 bucket. And then I've got to figure out how many tins. Well, if 40 litres was in 1 bucket, then I only need 15.67 litres. And there's 4 litres in each tin, so I've got 15.67 over 4, 3 and a bit. So I need 4 tins to completely do it. If I only had 3 tins, there'd still be a bit untapped, unpainted. So I need 4 tins and 1 bucket. That's a really easy question, but I would have freaked out in an exam if I'd gotten that because I wouldn't have known what to do.